if you want to transfer data from your old phone to Nothing Phone 3, what you have to do is download an app that allows us to transfer the data, because it seems that there is no built-in app that allows us to transfer the data. So in this case, we're gonna go to the Play Store, and of course there are multiple different apps that we can use in order to transfer data. However, in my case, I'm gonna use Send Anywhere. And of course, we need to download this app on both devices. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. It is really easy. And by the way, if you don't like this app for some reason, or if it doesn't work for you, feel free to try any other app. You can just write over here file transfer or something like that, or data transfer, in order to find a bunch of different apps that work in a similar way. So once you open the app, I have it already set up on this phone. But once you open it for the first time, you need to agree to the terms and service, and privacy policy. We're gonna press continue. We need to grant access to our media. We can also grant access to notifications. We can check this box to not receive new updates from the app, and then we can close this information about Wi-Fi Direct. Now on our old device, we can select everything that you want to transfer. You can select photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts, and files. And if you transfer from an iPhone, for example, from Apple device in general, from iOS to Nothing Phone 3, then in that case you want to be able to transfer apps, for example, because these apps on iOS are built in a different way. They are not compatible with Android devices, so you will have to download them on your Nothing Phone 3 from the Play Store. Nevertheless, once you select everything that you wish to transfer, you can press send over here at the bottom, whereas on the Nothing Phone 3 we want to select receive. On your old phone you will see this 6-digit code and QR code, so you can either use this QR code scanner, or you can enter this code that you can see over here in order to connect these two devices together. So let's try to create connection, and after that you should be able to transfer files. As you can see, we have transfer going on. Once it is done, of course you might see an ad in the meantime, and that's pretty much it. So everything that you have selected is now transferred to your Nothing Phone 3. You should be able to find it on your phone, for example, in the file manager. So if I go over here, as you can see, I have these files. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.